Hey guys, welcome back to the Circleville YouTube channel. We are back at Lowe's looking for amazing deals. Now we were just at this specific store just a couple of weeks ago, so I don't know if we're going to find anything amazing, but hey, you don't find amazing deals by sitting on the bench. You got to get in the game. You got to go check. Now all the promos that we talked about in the last Lowe's video are still active. So really what I'm looking for is if the clearance section has changed at all. Here's one deal for you. You can see if your store has, or store near you, or online maybe it's available. Who knows? Anyway, Miracle Grow 50-foot garden hose, normally $33, down to $8.17. It's such a good deal. I just don't need a hose. The Ortho Dial and Spray, normally $14, now $3.47. This store's all out of forged hose, but if you find one, let me know. Normally $33, down to $26.37. Fragile. I know some people would classify as burnouts. Weed Be Gone. We have some Andro 10-pound lawn insect killer. Lawn stuff is hopping. Ecologic lawn and yard insect killer. Termite killing foam. Ant bait. I didn't even know roses and flowers needed spray, but it's some expensive shit. Look at that. Only $8 now, though. And here's another concentrate. Boy, I could use these. Fly insect trap. How about animal stopper? Garden animal repellent. You getting rid of the bunnies? I like the bunnies. Or a deer stopper. Oh man, I just noticed how many more yellow tags there are over here. You just gotta go to your store and look, man. That's too much. First little clearance area, looking pretty trashy. Nothing exciting. About the same as last time. The only thing I'm seeing that's different is these little safety glasses. $16 though. Doesn't scream deal to me. Got an Irwin utility knife, a whopping $1.50 off. Can I interest you in some foo-foo girly stuff? They got these displays built out a little bit better than when I was here last time. If you remember, I was here forever because no one knew how the stupid promotion was working. But it's, you buy a bare tool and you get the battery and charger, 2-pack, whatever, for free. I didn't know the 12-volt rotary hammer came with the deal. Or maybe I didn't, I just don't remember. Anyway, now they actually have all these displays up. Before they only had like one. Oh, look, there's another one over there, there's one over here. The impact would be actually pretty cool to have. $149, huh? Oh. We will contemplate as we walk. We got a bunch of these heavy-duty hoodies that are on clearance. 4 different styles there. Now if you're an extra large with this one, you are screwed. You get to pay full price. But it's alright, I tried the extra large and you're only $2 off there. But if we go over to this one, you're actually getting decent prices. Hopefully that worked. Got a bunch of Bosch stuff also on sale. Got the reciprocating saw blades about half price. I know we saw a bunch of their bits and stuff on sale last time. I just don't remember which ones they were. One brand I haven't paid a single second paying attention to, but here's a deal for it. We got some Dewalt hats on sale. That one. Yeah, that one. I don't know, I like mine better. See, mine's better. If you can use the 7 1/4, it's a pretty good deal here. 3-pack of the Craftsman, 24 tooth. It says it was 25, now down to $6.17 for a 3-pack. $2 a blade, sucker. A couple of things worth mentioning here. We have this 5-tool Dewalt kit, but it's all brushless tools. Normally $2.99 down to $2.49. I'll show you the tag in a second. But you're getting the drill and the impact, you get the LED light, you get the oscillating tool and the sander. But if you were going to buy the oscillating tool by yourself, that's like $100. That's going to be like $100. You could probably find, if you don't mind buying on eBay, usually drills and impact drivers are pretty cheap to find, like open box or something, because people end up buying kits like this and either reselling the pieces or they just don't need those. So it's usually pretty cheap to pick up those. And then it's okay, everything's low value, I get it, it's not huge value, but you're getting two 2-amp-hour batteries and the charger. You're getting 5 tools for $2.49. So if it was just the tools, that's $50 a piece, but you're also getting the 2 batteries, so I don't know, less than $50 a piece. But they're all brushless, so it's actually not a bad deal. And then while we're here, we have the Cobalt 267 piece Homeowner set, normally $200 down to $99. It comes in a little bag here. And it's one with, you know, not just mechanic tools, the hammer and knives and screwdrivers. Comes with scissors, whatever. Some sockets, tape measure, wrenches. We got like a run on 7 1/4 inch saw blades that I didn't hear about. Only $16 down to $4 for the Dewalt. Oh, it's a code 99. What the hell's a code 99? Former Lowe's employee. What's a code 99? How pissed would you be if you bought a single of one of these for $8? I've been over there. Man, you can't even touch these things. Look at this. Anyway, it was $2.99, now it's $2.09. 4-tool Cordless Combo Kit. I'd look at it closer, but I'm afraid. Here we got a Lufkin 50-footer. Only $12 down to $8. Look out. Big savings coming through. Jorgensen 24-inch was $14.98. Now, $14.98. Pretty good deal here. You get a 3-pack of these folding utility knives. I really like this design. And normally $20 down to $8. It's less than $3 a piece. It says 3 blades included. Well, I guess I see the 3. It's a good deal. Got $100 off on this 41-inch Cobalt combo, $5.49. It's actually not too bad. Get the little power strip built in with the USB ports there. Got one long drawer and a couple of double banks. Not the greatest drawers I've ever seen in my life. Let's say worse quality than the US General and worse quality than my Husky. There's no locks on them, which I actually prefer because I find the locks more annoying and my toolbox doesn't move. It has the soft close, which I don't really care about either way. but it's definitely better slides than like this. Actually, I take that back. There's actually pretty good slides on that, but the drawers feel real flimsy. But it slides nice. That's $1.99 for that one. Uh-oh. Probably made in the USA. Well, that's not too bad, even though it's squeaking. As far as the construction of it goes, that feels the best of all of them so far. I don't like how hard you gotta pull to open the dang thing. I feel like I could tip it all over just trying to open the drawer. See, that one for reference was $5.98, but like $5.98 for that guy. Look how small it is. $5.49 for this one. And that's $8.28. It is nicer though. No purchases for me this time. It's probably a good thing. I'm kind of cringing even thinking of what the credit card bill is going to look like this month. There it is. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for our subscriber. I'll see you next time.